Kitty. 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 Hi, Kitty. It's your old pal, CLG. That's right, folks. CW. Morse Code, as it's known. Okay, we're going to change the little CW lesson a little bit. God, I look like a weirdo. That light. Got this. It's the MFJ practice oscillator. It's, I don't know, it's pretty cheap, but it serves a purpose. Anyhow, we're going to go ahead and try to learn Morse code together. We're going to start from the beginning, and we're going to start with the ABCs, okay? Okay, let's do it. Okay, folks, all kidding aside, we're going to start from the beginning. This is how I learned Morse code. I'm just going to go through it how I did it. First thing I learned was the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s. So here's Morse code. A is dot dash or dit da. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, so there's kind of a rhythm going on here, you know, it's kind of like a yeah, 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 yeah. You know, there's a rhythm going on, man. There is. I'm not joking around. There's actually a rhythm. Like J, if you send J, if you were to go, that sounds crazy. Get a rhythm. Ba, 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 ba. You know, like a rhythm, okay? That's kind of how it goes with me. It's a rhythm. K, L. Remember, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You know, like a rhythm, like a song. I mean, Morse code is kind of like a song. When you're sending Morse code, it's like you're, oh yeah, it's like a song, you know? I mean, I don't know what, think of it like that, I guess. It's not, I don't know. This takes a while to kind of get like a rhythm down, but my uncle W0 KET, which is, he told me that it's a rhythm. If you can play music, you can send Morse code. I don't know if I believe that, but he was right about a rhythm. L. And if you go slower, here's M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. You know, V. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You know that song? V. W. X. Y. Y's got a cool rhythm. Check a Y out. I love Y. Then Z. That's the alphabet. let's do the numbers and call it quits for the night, because this is a lot to swallow. And you can practice code just by smashing on the table. A, B, that's all I'm doing. C, D, see? You don't need one of these cheap ass oscillators. This thing's a cheap piece of crap, let me tell you. But I had to get something to show you. Morse code. The numbers are really weird, so let's just go and do a couple letters, and then I'll do other numbers. You'll see how weird. It's different. It's got a different rhythm to it. So let's do X, Y, Z. Y. And then Z. Listen to number 1. It's a different rhythm. 2. 3. No, wait. Yeah. So they even do a rhythm with the numbers. 4. Whoa, hey, drop the phone. Yeah. Well, action-packed adventure here, folks. 4. 5. Dit. I think I did. It's 5 dots. So when they get to 5, notice when you get to 6, it's just the dots and the dashes. Whoops. Come on, screen. The dots and the dashes are flipped around, and it's reciprocal. So 1 is dit da 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 da, and 6 is da dit 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 dit. Wait, I think that. Yeah, 6. It's a different rhythm because there's like one more character as opposed to letters. So the letters is one rhythm. The numbers is a little bit different, and it's strange until you get it down. So for instance, a call sign. Mine is KA0CLG. This is what it sounds like. KA0CLG. It's weird, man. So, I don't know. This is probably the crappiest Morse code lesson you've ever been through, but just the introduction. You can find this little thing here. If you want to buy yourself one of these, they're like 80 bucks. I don't think they're worth it. But it's a real key. And this thing can be used on the ham radio once they get the radio back on. This is a battery-powered oscillator. You can change the, here, let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can hold this down somehow. Well, you can change the tone. You know, make it really high-pitched. You know. So anyway, so that's tonight's lesson, just sending. Maybe we'll try some different stuff on the next lesson. Maybe we'll put some words together and I won't joke around too much, get more serious. If you guys like this, guys and gals like this, let me know. But I'm just trying to take this to a different level here. So there's a quick Morse code sending. I'll try to get this more organized on the next video. Thanks for watching, folks. And have a good night. Bye-bye from CLG.